With relatively robust growth prospects, the Indian economy is expected to expand by 7.2% this fiscal. Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, OECD, cuts global growth forecast but says India, on contrast, is on a robust growth path and growth expected to remain over 7% if all the structural reforms are implemented. Government signs a $273 million loan agreement with the Asian Development Bank to improve rural roads in Assam, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha and West Bengal. Loan to help in constructing over 6,000 kilometers of all-weather rural roads in these states and will benefit over 4,200 rural inhabitations. This is the third and last tranche of $800 million financing facility under the Rural Connectivity Investment Program. Central's ambitious Ujjwal Discom Assurance Yojana will lead to annual savings of 1.8 lakh crore rupees by 2018-19. Union Power Minister Piyush Goyal said the proposed saving is on account of energy efficiency to be achieved by reduction in interest rate, takeover of Discoms debt by states, coal swapping and demand-side management, and also increase in coal availability. Indirect tax collection up 36% in the first 7 months. Excise duty rises on oil, along with a couple of other measures, pushed up the indirect tax collection to 58,691 crore rupees in October and by 35.9% to 3.82 lakh crore rupees in the first 7 months. Finance Minister Arun Jaitley says for gauging industrial growth, the impact of additional measures have to be taken out. Surging dollar showing its impact on gold and rupee. Gold rates stay at a 3-month low to stabilize around 25,700 levels. On the other side, at the forex market, the rupee tumbled 68 paise or 1% to close at a nearly 8-week low of 66.44 against the dollar. Amidst Diwali festive season, e-commerce showing its might. Enormous rise in online shopping and sales. Average order value increased by 30% and the highest number of online shoppers among the metros were from Delhi, followed by Bengaluru and Mumbai. The number of online shoppers has increased from tier 2 and 3 cities like Ahmedabad, Coimbatore, Noida, etc.